What's up, YouTube? Today we're looking at a knife that I bought and I bid on it and I didn't really look very hard because I collect Queen City knives and this is very cold, so that's why it's not very snappy, but this is gonna go into the garbage, unfortunately. Because as you can see, somebody put this on a stone, or stones, plural, and just fucking ruined it. These, it's hard sometimes to get this stuff to focus. That's what this is somebody just rounding off the blade on accident. It's got, the tip is super blunted. The secondary is also not doing well. So yeah, this thing is gonna go into the garbage, and I paid probably 30 bucks for it, but that's kind of the name of the game sometimes on eBay. You do get shitters every once in a while. Yeah. It is what it is. eBay doesn't always pan out, but I'm gonna keep doing it because this is like the one of every 100 that is just bad, a real stinker. But that's about all she wrote for this one. Thanks for sticking with me to the end. Hope you folks have a good rest of your day. Bye now.